Hello students, I am Pramod Sharma. Student, today I would like to discuss a very important topic related to coronavirus. As you know, nowadays the most of part of the world now was affected with corona or due to corona, and especially European part is highly and highly effective. And if you go in the Europe, Spain, Italy, France, Britain, Germany, these are some countries which are highly affected. So now I am going to discuss these area because in your examination contemporary based topic many times has been asked, especially related to geographical features like mountains, plateau, plains, rivers. These kind of things are asked in your paper many times. Any country of the world which are popular due to any kind of things like political, economical or any social problems, most of time question asked in your paper, like Syria already question asked, like Israel, like Spain already question has been asked, and again is possibilities in 2020 questions from this region. So today I am going to discuss from this region, and no doubt Spain one of them, and today I am going to start from the Spain. As you know Spain, as you know students, Spain one of the biggest country of Europe, and it has area near about 5 lakh 4,000 square kilometer, and it has population 4 crore 60 lakh 30,109. It means simply you can say it has population 4 crore 60 lakh. So simply you can understand from the population wise and from the area wise, Spain one of the biggest country of Europe, and now it's worst affected. So might be question asked from this region. In this map I have shown two type of maps. One is physical and this is political map. Different from the different direction question may be asked. Let's start from the physical part of the Spain. Students, as you know, Spain situated southern eastern part of Europe, and it expanded over Iberian Peninsula. Iberian Peninsula, this is a one of the oldest mass of land mass of the Europe, and surrounded by water from three sides. In eastern side Mediterranean Sea is there, and in the western side there is Atlantic Ocean, and in Atlantic Ocean there is a Bay of Biscay in its northern side. Bay of Biscay also very important because it's very famous for photography. Its beaches are very neat and clean, so it's one of the great place for the tourist. Then in southern side, one of the most important, and from the strategic point of view, one of the most important water body, that is Strait of Gibraltar. Strait of Gibraltar separate Europe from the Africa, and or it separate Spain from the Morocco. Okay? And this is the water body which also known as Key of Mediterranean Sea because of its strategic significance from the ancient time. So this is the water body surrounded Spain, and just started discussion from the its inner part, and started from the mountains. If you see in the Spain, there is a number of mountains like Pyrenees mountain, which divided Spain from the France. This is France and this is Spain, or you can say it's make natural boundary between Spain and France. Then its northern side there is a Cantabrian mountains, then after there is a Morena mountains, and then Sierra Nevada. Cantabrian mountain one of the most important mountain because it's famous for fine quality of iron. So many mines are situated there. So from the economic point of view, Cantabrian range is very important. Then after there is a Morena mountains, then there is a Sierra Nevada. Sierra Nevada is also important because highest point of Spain, Mount Mulhacen, situated in Sierra Nevada mountain. So please memorize it from north to south. First is Pyrenees, then second is Cantabrian, third is Morena, and third is Sierra Nevada. And in between Sierra Morena and Sierra Nevada, there is a Andalusian or Andalusia plain. This is one of the most fertile plain of Spain, and it's a densely populated area. It's famous for food grains and also famous for different kind of uh, fruit-based agriculture or the plantation agriculture. It's a very famous. If you see the drainage system of Spain, in Spain there is a 4 important river, and the first and the most important river is river Ebro. Ebro river originates from the Cantabrian range and discharges water in Mediterranean Sea, and it's considered the longest river of Spain. Then after there is a Douro. Douro river originates from Spain, and its flow in not only flow in Spain but also flows in Portugal. So discharge your water in Atlantic Ocean, and Douro river valley is very famous for grapes. It's a very famous area for the grapes cultivation. Then there is a Tongas. This valley is also famous for grapes. Then after, Guadalquivir river is also a small river but very important because it's formed on Aleutian plain. Already I have told it, one of the most important part of Spain. So these 4 are river: Ebro, Douro, Tungus and Guadalquivir river. These are 4 rivers. And then after, there is a 2 important region of Spain. There is the Old Castle region and second is Newcastle region. This Old Castle region is famous for castles. Number of castles you have seen in the number of movies of Hollywood. There is a big castle. So from the ancient time, this region is famous for number of castles. And then after, there is a Newcastle. After the invasion of Arabian, this region was emerged as an important region. So number of castles in medieval period constructed here. So this region is known as a Newcastle. Spain is also famous for plateaus. Main features are plateaus, and number of small plateaus are known as when Spain plateau is known as mesa or meseta. There is some features. Then after, we should go to the political part of Spain. This Iberian Peninsula, where is 2 important country is extended there. One is Spain and another is Portugal. These 2 are important, and another is a very small country, that is a Gibraltar, which is a basically exclave of Britain. This is an autonomous body of Spain and considered as a exclave of Britain. So this region is also important. Earlier it was very popular due to some problems raised here, because now Spain demanding this is our country, because earlier it was part of Spain, but after the War of Trafalgar in 1855, after defeating of Armada of Spain, it was conquered by Britain, and till now it's a part of Spain. So please, you can simply it's a part of Britain, so Spain again demanding it. And students, please consider, just think about Spain. In Spain there is a number of cities like Bilbao. Bilbao is very important city in northern side because it's famous for iron ore. Already I have told it, this Cantabrian mountain is very famous for iron. Earlier it was mine city, but now it emerged as one of the biggest city of Spain. And after that, Bilbao, there is a city Oviedo. These 2 cities very famous. Yes students, Bilbao is also famous for world's finest quality of swords. Bilbao swords you have seen in European movies. This is a long and straight swords, and Bilbao is very famous. Oviedo, Coruna, these 3 cities are very important, and this region is also affected by separatism. I think you have heard Basque Party. This area is affected by the Basque Party, which is a separatist movement. And nowadays, I think you have heard about Catalonia region. This is the region of Catalonia. And in Catalonia region, there is a Barcelona. Barcelona is the biggest port of Spain, and it's famous for tourism and also for sports. I think you have heard about Barcelona club, which is famous for football, and another city is Madrid. Madrid is the capital of Spain and biggest city and the most important city, and this city is also famous for football. Real Madrid club, I think you have heard it. So this is some important city, and there is Sevilla. Sevilla is also important city because it is very famous for world's finest quality of orange. And then after there is a city Cadiz. Cadiz is famous for cork. These are some economic activities which happen here. And then after there is a city Porto. There is a country Portugal, and there is a city Porto or Oporto or Oparta. There is a three pronunciation: Porto, Oparta, and Porto, Oporto, and Oparta. These three. Just think it's situated in the background of this Douro River, and Douro Valley is very famous for cultivation of grapes. So this Porto city is famous for wine production, and it considered as a wine port of the world because it's famous for the exporting of wine. And then after there is a city Lisbon. Lisbon is a capital of Portugal and also famous for the exporting of wine, and also famous for shipbuilding, boat building, and so many activities. And another aspect of Spain is, just think, surrounded countries. In northern side there is a France, in western side there is a Portugal. These two important countries, and which makes boundary with the Spain. But another is a very small country, that is Andorra. Andorra is a small country which also making boundary with the Spain and France and then Portugal. Next, Spain is also extended in Africa. This is a country which not only expanded in the Europe but also expanded in the Africa. This is also part of Ceuta. There is a city Ceuta. Ceuta is a part of Spain in Africa, and there is a country Morocco. Surrounded by Morocco. This is a Morocco. So you can say it make boundary with France, Andorra, Portugal, and Morocco. These are some political features of Spain. And students, I would like to say, please draw the map and memorize it, because many time question asked by based on location wise. So please, if you draw the map, then you will have able to find out the right answer in your paper, because locational based question you can solve only if you have done practice. So please make a outline of Spain and draw all their physical features like its mountains, rivers, plains, surrounded water bodies, and some important cities like Bilbao, Barcelona, Oviedo, Madrid, Cartagena, Seville, and Cadiz. So now I would like to stop my lecture today, and in next lecture I am going to discuss about France. Now France, one of the most affected country by the corona. So please keep in mind and subscribe it and share it. Okay, bye. Thank you.